pew 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 pew. Sorry. I wasn't playing video games. I wasn't. Look, I was not playing video games. Shut up. Shut up. Nothing. Okay, since we got rid of that, and time to go get what we did. Sorry for the last video. It was a bit funky. It was being funky, and so I had to start a new video, but I'm still going to upload that video. Upload. My highest level is 64. It's Giratina! It's Giratina! Shut up! Who's Giratina? Do you guys see him? You guys see him? Hide. It's an ultra beast. Ugh. Who cares? Alright, Grazer! Hiding in the corner. Me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't. I am Groot. I am Groot. Ha 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 ha. Shut up! What is time is it? Not letting you know my password. There we go, no disturbances from the phone. Why can't I come out? You're supposed to let me out. No! There we go. Now let me out. Yay! Guys, it's Lord Arceus and Mega Lucario. You have to do that. You have to. He's the creator of all Pokemon. Yes, I know this isn't roleplay, but it's respectful to the creator. I know where Jirachi spawns. What happened to me? Ow! I'm getting hurt. Stop wrapping me. No, who got it? You got it, you killed me. Why? We're going to get Unknown Lord. We're off to see Unknown Lord, the wonderful Unknown Lord of Pokemon. We could get a Pokebox, an awesome Pokebox. Why? Open. 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 Yes, yes. What did I get? You found a brown unknown L. Well, all green benefits unknown Lord. Following Zygote, a wonderful ugly Zygote. Well, I've got full Zygote, so wait a second. Kai Master just joined. He did join. Hi, Kai Master.
Hi.
We're off to get an own lord, a wonderful own lord of Pokemon. I know I'm bad at singing the song, so I don't care.
An own lord?
Yep, I'm trying to get him. Spider unknown, spider unknown. Lord.
Not anymore.
Hello,
Not
Kai Master.
anymore. Not anymore.
Connor just copied.
Yeah, because I have shiny Ditto.
Yeah, I also have shiny Ditto, but I don't really like to use it. Can I kill you for XP?
Never.
No, it will help me.
Judgment. Extreme speed. Oh shoot. You were on the side. Oh shoot, Arceus is after me. Arceus is
You're higher level than him, dummy.
Hyper Beam.
Let me just kill you so I can get XP faster.
Ability multi-type.
Come on.
Sure.
They're trying to kill that. I want to kill you too.
Unbound for you. Unowned.
What does Arceus sound like?
He kind of sounds like a girl.
I'm coming for you, Anna.
No. Haven't you watched that episode?
No.
I'm gonna kill you, okay? This will take so long. Battle with Greninja. Okay, guys, who could read this in the unknown terms? Do you want to know what it says? I am God.
Who am
Who
I?
am I? Shut up. It's me.
What? I'm the one who helped you.
That's the code for Lord Arceus. And I'm killing Shiny Connor, also known as Kai Master. Check out his channel.
If I got...
Haha, he's low health.
Haha, I can recover.
Who cares? You can't. Hoo-yah!
Yeah. I'm just an average shiny.
Hoo-yah! Final special attack! Hee hee hee.
Only 100 challenge or ground.
Super, ultra, Hooper. Final, super attack.
Da, 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 da,
Oh, hey, Kai
da,
Master.
da, da.
I am a shiny Hooper. I can almost summon a legendary / ultra beast / cool Pokemon.
Rotom. Where's Rotom again?
That was not me. I didn't summon that. Connor has made a Gengar. Kai Master. Okay, guys. That's all I could record for. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We'll see you right after this episode. Goodbye.